So Vogue wrote, quote, this is the headline from Vogue, like the fashion magazine, quote, "No one is drinking anymore." Vice News, quote, "Alcohol lost its cool." Thoughts?
No. No. No.
All right, here's another one. And this is from neuroscientists. This is another one that you might have the same reaction to or not. I don't know. Andrew Huberman and Daniel G. Amen. I hope I'm pronouncing those doctors' names correctly. They're both medical doctors. They revealed that alcohol is harmful to our health, even in small amounts. Quote, "Turns out those studies claiming that 1 glass of wine a day is good for you were commissioned by the alcohol industry." Thoughts?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Very good. All right. So there you have it. The perspective on those headlines from someone who herself is, do you say recovering alcoholic? Every person I know who's overcome addiction, they say it's an active ing style verb. Like, I'm recovering.
Yeah, I say that I had an unhealthy relationship with alcohol, and to me, it's something I can't mess with, just because I can't control it, and yeah, it is ongoing. It's learning how to be in the world and absorb your feelings. It's how to cope with things because it stunts your growth as a person when instead of dealing with the hard things, you kind of drink them away. I didn't want to be with myself. I didn't want to experience myself. So I drank to check out. And when you do that, you're not dealing with the part of you that doesn't want to be with yourself. You're not dealing with those feelings. And so you then have to double back. I mean, these past 5 years have been, I posted about this, when I was drinking, I could tell you that I'm sure I hadn't cried, in months. I'd be able to say, like, I can't remember the last time I cried. Now, I cried yesterday. I can cry multiple times a day. I was somebody that people would tell me, "You are very sensitive." And that did not register with me. And now recognizing how sensitive of a person I am, how much of a feeler I am, drinking was to kind of get away from that, and it checked me out. So to me, yeah, it's this ongoing journey of learning how to be with yourself and learning how to overcome things that were too difficult to deal with in the past.